Park City Culinary Institute is located at 1484 South State Street in Salt Lake City, Utah. Spacious and naturally lit with skylights, this historic building in downtown Salt Lake City was built in 1929 and lovingly restored. The open architecture allowed us to build a 4,000 square foot teaching kitchen. The exposed red brick gives warmth, and the dramatic skylights create a space that is unlike any other teaching kitchen in the country. We brought in renowned restaurant designer King Ng of MJSA Architects, who also designed Pago, Benihana, and River Horse on Main Street in Park City. We custom built our teaching kitchen with brand new commercial appliances and brought in local craftsmen to finish them in stainless steel. The facility features 4 Wolf gas ranges with a total of 24 burners, a Wolf char broiler, double-stacked Blodgett convection ovens, all-clad pots and pans, overhead electricity, Charleston refrigeration, a high-speed dishwashing system, and double exhaust hoods that reduce sound during lectures.